Healthcare staff cannot distinguish between physical activity and wandering, and only identify wandering when a patient is at risk for leaving the facility. Changes in walking activity are associated with cognitive impairment, falls, wandering, and other poor health outcomes.
The real-time locating system continuously and objectively tracks walking activity. This includes beneficial physical activity as well as wandering. Wandering is patterned walking that's associated with poor health outcomes.
Before assigning a tag to a resident, open the Tag Association tab in the Real-Time Locating System Graphic Use Interface and assign a unique patient ID number to each consenting ambulatory or foot-propelled resident at random. Use the number provided on each tag to link a tag with each patient ID for wireless tracking, leaving the tag positions at origin and confirming that Allow Tag Swaps is selected. Choose the type of tag, the mini tag, and click Save. In Location System Config, click View Trace Messages. Then, get trace messages to make sure the system is recording events from the tags. Under the Sensor Status tab, confirm that all of the sensors are running. In Location System Config, click Review Location Events. In the window, click Start Listening to gather data in real time from tags. To turn on a tag, hold a magnet under the right side of the tag until the light begins to continuously blink.